Let's settle it once and for all. Grandma always had a jar of Vaseline, didn't she? Maybe tucked away in the bathroom cabinet, used for, well, who knows what exactly. But here's a little secret that'll surprise even her, and definitely you. That humble jar sitting there might just be the most overlooked multi-purpose marvel you own. In a world of fancy creams and complicated gadgets, sometimes the oldest tricks are truly the best, offering simple, effective, and often free solutions right from your own home. Get ready to rediscover a classic, because today we're peeling back the lid on 25 incredibly brilliant uses for Vaseline that can make your life easier, more comfortable, and a little more sparkling, all without spending an extra dime. And trust me, if you leave before we reveal the last few secrets, you'll be kicking yourself. Some of these are pure gold, truly things you wish you knew sooner. First and foremost, Vaseline is a miracle worker for common skin troubles, helping you stay comfortable and feeling good. For instantly soothing chapped lips, a quick swipe is all you need, often working better than expensive lip balms and giving you that smooth feeling in no time. If your hands often feel dry and flaky, just rub a little bit on them like lotion to restore their softness and keep them hydrated. It's also incredibly effective for those pesky cracked heels that can make walking uncomfortable. Simply slather it on your feet, put on a pair of socks before bed, and wake up to wonderfully soft skin. And for any tiny nicks or small cuts, if you don't have a Band-Aid handy, Vaseline can create a protective barrier that shields the cut and actually helps it heal a bit faster. It's also a preventative hero. Before putting on those new shoes that tend to rub, apply some Vaseline to the spots that usually cause trouble and say goodbye to painful blisters. Beyond simple comfort, Vaseline offers a treasure trove of easy beauty boosts that can make you look and feel your best without a lot of fuss or fancy products. For an immediate natural glow without makeup, just dab a tiny bit on your cheekbones. It catches the light beautifully, giving you a fresh, healthy radiance. To keep your nails looking polished and healthy even without colored varnish, simply rub some Vaseline onto them for a natural, subtle sheen. If you want your favorite perfume to linger longer throughout the day, try rubbing a small amount onto your wrists before spraying. The Vaseline holds onto the scent, releasing it slowly. You can even use this little secret for photos. Lightly rub Vaseline on your teeth for a dazzlingly shiny smile that really stands out in pictures, a true celebrity trick. And for tired, dry lips that need a little more help, mix Vaseline with a pinch of sugar for a quick homemade lip scrub, giving you smooth, kissable lips in under a minute. It's also excellent for gently melting away makeup, even stubborn, waterproof mascara, making it a fantastic alternative if you run out of your regular remover. For keeping wild eyebrows in check or taming frizzy hair and flyaways, a tiny bit brushed through will do the trick. Just remember, a little goes a long way. And don't forget those frustrating split ends. Gently rub a tiny amount onto the very tips of your hair for a smoother appearance. Now, let's explore some of the more surprising and inventive ways Vaseline can solve common beauty dilemmas and daily frustrations, proving its unparalleled versatility. Has your favorite mascara started to dry out? Instead of tossing it, mix a tiny bit of Vaseline directly onto the mascara wand before use. It often revives the mascara, making it work like new again. When you're coloring your hair at home, apply a thin layer of Vaseline around your hairline to protect your skin from unsightly stains, and do the same on your nails and hands to prevent them from becoming dyed. Ran out of shaving cream? Vaseline works wonderfully as a substitute, giving you a smooth shave while leaving your skin feeling incredibly soft. For earrings that might feel uncomfortable, rubbing a tiny bit of Vaseline on the post before you put them in can make them slide in easily and sit more comfortably. Want to get creative with your makeup? Mix Vaseline with your favorite powdered eyeshadow to create a custom creamy eye makeup texture. And for that sophisticated glossy eyelid look often seen in magazines, just dab a little Vaseline on your lids. Finally, you'll be astonished by some of the practical uses of Vaseline around the house, and for personal items that truly highlight its hidden potential, going far beyond just skincare. Have your beloved leather shoes gotten a bit scuffed? Rub a small amount of Vaseline onto the marks, and they'll often look remarkably like new again. Believe it or not, even your refrigerator can benefit. Rub some Vaseline onto the rubber seals around the door to help keep them flexible and working efficiently, extending their lifespan. Encountered a stuck zipper that just won't budge? A bit of Vaseline applied along the zipper teeth will help it slide smoothly, almost like butter. And for those times when a ring gets stubborn and just won't come off your finger, apply some Vaseline around it, and it will often slide right off with ease. See? That trusty jar of Vaseline isn't just sitting there in your cabinet gathering dust. It's truly a remarkable product that can simplify your life and save you money in countless ways you never imagined. Which of these clever hacks was your favorite, or perhaps surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And hey, don't keep all this magic to yourself. Be a helper and share this video with friends and family so they can discover these incredible uses too. Give us a like, share the knowledge, and subscribe for more brilliant tips that spread the glow. But Vaseline is much more than just a skin protector. It's an incredible ally for everyday beauty and grooming, helping you look and feel your best with minimal effort and expense. For a natural, radiant glow that looks utterly refreshed and youthful without piling on layers of makeup, simply dab a tiny amount of Vaseline onto the tops of your cheekbones. It catches the light beautifully, giving your face a healthy, luminous sheen that feels effortless. Your nails can also get in on this action. If you prefer a natural look over polish or want to give your nails a break, rub a little Vaseline onto them. They'll instantly gain a subtle, healthy shine, making them look polished and well cared for without any fuss. Have you ever wished your favorite perfume lasted longer? Here's a neat trick. Rub a small dab of Vaseline onto your pulse points, like your wrists and neck, before spraying your perfume. The Vaseline acts as a base, clinging to the fragrance molecules and making the scent linger wonderfully throughout the entire day. For moments when you need an extra boost of confidence, like when taking photos, try this celebrity secret. Lightly rub a tiny bit of Vaseline on your front teeth for a truly dazzling, camera-ready smile that sparkles under the lights. For lips that are feeling particularly dull or chapped, you can easily create an effective and invigorating lip scrub by mixing a bit of Vaseline with a pinch of ordinary sugar. Gently rub it onto your lips, then wipe away, leaving them incredibly smooth and refreshed in less than a minute. And if you're ever in a pinch and out of makeup remover, or if your sensitive skin reacts to harsh formulas, Vaseline is your answer. It expertly melts away even the most stubborn waterproof mascara and heavy makeup, yet is incredibly gentle on your skin. What a savior. To tame unruly eyebrows that simply won't stay in place, or to smooth away annoying frizzy flyaways in your hair, a very tiny touch of Vaseline can gently coax them into submission, keeping your look neat and polished all day. Just remember, with hair, a little bit goes a very long way. Even those dreaded split ends, which can make your hair look dry and damaged, can be temporarily smoothed and given a more cohesive appearance by gently rubbing a tiny, almost microscopic amount of Vaseline onto the very tips.